And stock futures are trading slightly lower overnight as investors focus to a key inflation report this week, the Consumer Price Index. On Friday, the Dow Jones was the only major index to close up a 0.23%, and the S&P fell 0.16%, while the NASDAQ dropped 0.5%. NewsNation business contributor Lydia Moynihan is here now. And Lydia, is the CPI report a make or break deal this week?
Well, we're getting a 360 view of inflation data this week. We're getting the Consumer Price Index, which obviously is the headline grabber there. It's a good indication of how much money we are paying for the same products than we were last year at this time. Every month, there's this optimism that maybe inflation will have finally peaked. Every month, we've been wrong. Last month, we expected an 8.8% increase in inflation year over year. It came in at 9.1%. Economists are predicting we could see a 9.3% this month, year over year. So always some optimism that maybe finally we've peaked, and obviously that would be good news. The other indications that the Federal Reserve is paying attention to, in addition to the CPI, we're getting unit labor costs and then the production price index. So that's how much producers are paying for various goods. So they, of course, would be paying very close attention to these numbers and trying to weigh, is inflation still spiking? Are they going to have to do whatever it takes to rein it in and raise interest rates further? Or can they take their foot off the gas pedal a little bit and not push interest rates quite as high as they might have to?
Lydia, I know we talked on Friday before the jobs numbers came out, and you said, hey, if the numbers are down, that means they won't have to raise interest rates. The market's going to like that. Well, the numbers were way up, way up. And if this CPI is also higher, they're going to have no choice but to raise, another half a percentage point or 3/4 of a percentage point, the Fed, I think, right?
No, you're absolutely right. And it's kind of counterintuitive, but a lot of times when we're seeing these signs of strength from the economy, like the fact that we have had such positive job numbers, investors are a little worried because they're saying, okay, well, the Federal Reserve is going to be looking at that data point and saying the economy is vibrant, people are employed. Clearly, we can raise rates a little bit higher. So obviously, the combination of the labor market remaining strong, and if we get a really high number this month, it seems like that's an indication that the Federal Reserve will have no choice but to raise rates even higher.
And Wednesday is the big day. Lydia Moynihan live in New York for us. You can't see it, but I am rubbing my hands together as in anticipation of the CPI, like any good economic journalist would do. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.